Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites quickly. Make sure the flight crew has given the command and cabin pressure is safe. Once confirmed, clear the area in front of the exit, remove baggage, secure infants, and push seats back if needed. Locate the handle and safety pin, read the pictogram on the placard so your actions match the mechanism. You will act decisively, follow the crew's cadence. Make sure one person is ready to brace inside the frame before you operate the door. You now operate the mechanism. Remove the safety pin or flip the cover and move the handle to the labeled open position. Apply steady, continuous force, do not jerk. Rotate the handle through its full travel while bracing your feet and using your legs. This transfers strength safely. Once the latch releases, pull the door toward the cabin and follow the designed path. Some doors hinge inboard, others slide out. Make sure people stand well clear so no one is hit by the moving. You finish by securing the door as the procedure requires. Latch it, stow it, or allow the slide to inflate automatically, depending on the model. Once secured, direct passengers calmly, one at a time, feet first, arms crossed, and ensure they move away from the aircraft to a safe distance. If the door jams, do not force it. Immediately signal the nearest crew or evacuation leader and shift to the next usable exit. That single troubleshooting step prevents delays and keeps everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.